Clover Valley Cutters. And
I had the one. I don't know. He picked up. You moved. He goes. He was.
All right. Here he come. Nice little pretty morning. It's a little more daylight, or it's a little less daylight than it looks like in this camera. But look here, pulling in. Look at this devil. Oh my God. Me and James going turkey hunting real quick. I've been up since earlier, and we're going to some farm he knows. Look at him sneaking up on me. Watch him. Here he come. Here he come. Man, he looked good. Well, hello.
hello. I look like a turkey hunting Katniss Everdeen.
You look like a turkey hunting son of a gun compared to me.
Trash out for you.
Worry about that trash.
These kids have been so my back's been so bad. I just think that time, man. Between my back and the other back. God.
We're making good time. They probably ain't even gobbling yet.
They ain't even up.
I should have took the keys up before I got out. I think we should do a gobble call or just do more hoot owl. Hoot him, boy. Go hit it. They usually answer something. I heard a gobbler. Yeah, way off. It sounded like it's on the other side of the road. There's Jake's. Some people's farm turkeys over there. I could hear them shaking him right then. You know why he gobbled? You can hear that owl over there. He's listening. If we can beat him to that note, right there. Yeah. That's where he's gonna go to. That's where he's at every single time. We gotta get up there, get set up. We gotta clear 80 yards through that timber. We can see him walking to us. Let's get up here. We gotta go up this way anyway to get to the logging road. Yeah. Give me a call a little bit. Yeah, go ahead. After we got up here to the top, there's two over this way. One out on the end of this point, and one straight ahead. Sounds like they're about 200 to 300 yards away. Get him a lick. Tell us what we're doing. So we got a plethora of toms. A smorgasbord of toms. We're gonna go check one out. That camera lens moves with me. Yeah, that right. That's insane. Oh, it's a gimbal. Yeah, gotcha. We're gonna go check out a tom out on this ridge first. If he responds well, we'll hang in there with him. If not, we're gonna go over here and try and smack that one. Let's do it. That one's closer. That's probably one of the ones we was hearing originally. I think there's one out past him too. There he is. I told you, remember I done 5 toms on this ridge. I wasn't joking. I worked 5 different turkeys. And all 5 had ends.
I'll get you some good big toms strutting here in a second. He'll crap your britches when you see how many is in this field up here.
My britches.
Your breeches gonna be pooped in. Lindsay's gonna have to wash the underwear. I'm hoping I ain't lying to you. No, I probably said there won't be anything out here, but so we started out strong. We heard plenty toms gobbling. Tried to make multiple approaches. It sounded like we were getting good responses, and we would get within, I don't know, what would you say, 80 to 100 yards?
Yeah.
About 80 to 100 yards, and then they were just shutting down. I mean, like, no noise. They wouldn't even attempt to gobble.
About 9 o'clock and not a whole turkey in the woods gobbling no
It
more.
was just everything just shut up. And we heard the one random bird, he shot off like a woodpecker or something. And it was, I don't know, it was that way Sunday morning. I don't know if we're getting cut off by hens or, I don't know.
We'll see you in the morning.
Peace, guys.
Turn your lights on, dadgummit.
Got it. We're gone now.
Go get us killed.
Oh man. Running a little behind this morning.
What happened?
Well, something hit me in the top of the head. I don't know whether it's a frog or a mouse, but I did hit my alarm and it would never come back on.
Is this
It's a
macchiato?
mocha.
Mocha? Is this my cup?
That's your cup, yeah.
You remembered. You ain't drugging me or something, are you?
No, look, no.
Giggling.
My Lord, no.
Giggling while I was taking a sip.
Drink
I
up.
turned it up and you went.
Harry and Lloyd like off dumber. He went, drink up, bud. He went, put his hand on the bottom of the cup, went, and it showed him riding that little
That
little motorbike, and he was going, and it was playing the Wicked Witch music off of the. And he was going. I just randomly got some of it at the dollar store one day because they upgraded our dollar store to a rich dollar store.
Yeah.
And now they sell interior decor and frozen meats. They actually sell like real meat and vegetables.
Name brand foods.
Yeah. No more Clover Valley for me. It's all Starbucks from here.
Get you some real brand broadheads now instead of the Dollar General broadheads.
I did get them Dollar General broadheads, and they were not of quality.
What was they called? Clover Valley
cutters. And basically we're going to go up that gutter riding on those Black Angus's backs on that one Johnny Cash sings one song, doesn't he? The herd.
to start a fire, I'm burning diesel, burning dinosaur bones.
Burning diesel on dinosaur bone.
Ghost Riders in the
Ghost
sky.
Riders in the sky, that's us.
Riders in the sky.
I seen their eyes a glowing red, goblin in the trees. We were scared to death, but we made it on those Black Angus steeds. Mooing and a crunching on every leaf they came upon. We made it to the top of the ridge 20 minutes before dawn. That's pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was, dude.
I rode an old heifer who had not had with child. She led a great moo as we crested the sky. I heard a gobble in the distance, and before I knew it, he was on, flying off the roost to join me in this song. Yippee-ki-yay! Yippee-ki-yo! Gobbler demons in the sky. Lordy mercy. I've tried a decoy out here one time, and it might have been the fact that it was a Dollar General brand decoy, but they were very fearful of it. And
Clover Valley Strutter.
it was a Clover Valley Jake and hen combo breeder set. And the Jake was just a black trash bag with a toothbrush sticking out one end of it and a little bit of watercolor on it. No head. They did not like the looks of that Jake. Sorry for throwing off on DG. If anyone watches this on YouTube or if he puts it in the video, DG's an awesome store and they do supply me with a lot of good stuff.
Let's go, man.
Let's do this.
Time to kill.
Got a Scooty Woody.
Ghost riders in the sky.
I think they heard me breathing, struggling to get up that hill.
No. I think they're just being douchebags today.
Again.
Yeah.
Yesterday they were teasing us. So we walk out the top of this ridge back to that main.
Try to cut them off.
The main dragon's back. Which is not easy with this crossbow. Bad choice. Bad choice, bad choice. Crow call or hoot owl?
He's close. We got one turkey goblin. About 300 or 400 yards through there. There he was. He's straight down and back up the other side a little bit. We're gonna stay on this side and go around the road and try to get about 100 yards away from him and call, or maybe 100 to 200 yards, and call and see if he'll start answering us and come up his hill. What happened to us, man?
Oh, well, the same thing that happened yesterday. No turkey. We had a few answers. What, 3 maybe? 3, maybe 4. Then they just shut up. And we went dead for a long time and ended up getting the Tom to answer us out on a ridge about 300 yards away, I'd say. And he answered 2 good times, responded to the call, and then shot gobbled a few times at some other noise around him, so we thought he was getting kind of lit up, but Dylan heard a hen purring and popping a little bit. Maybe she got to him before we did, I don't know. It's definitely been a unique year.
Bottom line is, they ain't doing no good.
Nope.
So I guess the next time, I don't know where we'll be or what we'll be doing. Or where we'll be turkey hunting at.
Not here.
Good morning. You know what today is? It's hunting day. I got James a big egg sandwich made right there. I'm sipping on some coffee, flying up the road here, trying to go up here and meet him. We're going to go hunting Coal Hill this time because those Jackson County birds don't like women, apparently. Anyways, we'll see James in just a second.
Get daddy involved, 'cause I can sing all them songs.
Hello, children. Day 32.
Rations are running dangerously low. Dylan ate the last Snickers last night without telling me.
We just pulled right on the edge of public, though.
Yeah.
The Daniel Boone National Forest sign is right
Yep.
behind us, ain't it? If we kill one, we need to take a picture of that sign.
Yes, we do. Hopefully we have better luck than we have been having in Jackson County.
Homosexual birds over there.
Yeah, they are not. They do not fornicate with women. That is the truth.
They're not interested in the female.
Oh, Lordy.
We'll see you in a little bit.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, oh.
We're losing cover. Yes, I think we need to shoot over here next to the wood line. Maybe set up about that little knob right there. There's one. That other one's a lot closer though. We can only go so far in the woods. There's a fence up. That's their property line. I don't have permission. Sounds to me like you heard straight through there and up in one of them trees. Where do you think we should set up at to try and get a pitch down? Is this like a tree line running up that drain? We at least need to be to that tree line because I doubt he'll want to come across that. Yeah, we're getting super close to this thing. It's about 100 yards maybe. Just gotta make sure he don't see us down here in this bottom. Cause it's getting pretty daylight. He just flew down. There's two of them. He's right on this hillside. Yes, get ready. Where you wanna go? Alright, let's do it. Like I said, he's drumming right up there. That was a hand. That gobbler's in there strutting somewhere though, because I heard him. That was good.
I'm sensing a pattern.
I think they may have seen us.
Yeah. I'm starting to get tired.
I'm
growing
sensing a
weak
pattern.
in this.
I would say this place is toast.
Yeah. My pants are soaked. I'm gonna scream really loud at them. Bull does not look happy.
Please, Lord, God, Jesus.
You know me.
All right, who's the gunman? You want to shoot him?
Whoever sees him first, blow his head off. I don't care. I don't care who
I
kills him.
can leave mine here.
No, I'll bring it. You may see him, I might not. I don't want this turkey to get away.
I'll do everything in my power to get you this one, now, buddy. Let's go see if we can get him. We'll put about 80 yards on him to try to call some. And also collect about 100 ticks along the way in this long grass. Did you ever watch Jurassic Park? Yes, I did. Stay out of the long grass. Stay out of the long grass. You go try to do it. I'm filming. I'll bring my gun to my side. Yes, baby.
Dude. Oh man.
That was crazy, man.
Dude. Insane.
I left my phone back there. I was gonna try to run up and shoot another one, but they all just blasted off.
I had the one. I don't know. He picked up. You moved. He goes. He was on strut. They were both strutting right here.
I was about to call some so they'd stick their head up so you could shoot them.
He sees something he didn't like. So he goes, drops off in, and that other one starts going. That hen picked us out as soon as I stuck her on the tree. She goes, and I was like, oh God. Well, I said, as soon as he comes off strut, I had been picked out right in the back of the head.
Boom. Yes, baby.
Yes, baby. Dude. Cold Hill bird, man. That is sweet.
I didn't know they had hens with them.
Oh yeah, they had like 3 hens with them. That when I first got down here, when I first seen them, 2 hens went this way. I spooked them, but they didn't pop or nothing. They just seen me, and they just like sort of meandered. And they were both focused on that one hen. They were just walking around her. And I seen this one. I seen them both, plain as day. The other one had a little bit shorter beard. He was standing up here. She walks her way down this log here on the other side of it. They get behind this trash right here. I was froze at that tree forever. And,
You see them moving around down in here?
Oh yeah, well that's the first thing I picked up was the top of his tail fan. I said, I was about to go forward again, I just stopped. Dude, that was intense. Got a pretty head on him, don't he?
Mm-hmm. That's probably the one that was up there looking at us.
Yeah. They just wouldn't bite. They just wouldn't on it.
No, they come up to that
Yeah.
peak up there and they wouldn't come no farther.
Nope. Oh man. Dude. How long have we been hunting for a turkey? We ended up coming to public land to get one. Then there was people everywhere.
Yeah. I don't know if
We
you
had
could
some
hear
guys
any of that.
calling at 40 yards behind us. I hope you got some of it on video, like them driving, stopping.
The
like,
big
in front
camera's
of the-
dead.
Huh?
Big camera's dead.
Oh man. He looked like he had a pretty good beard for a Cold Hill turkey. Not no big, brush beard, but short spurs. Always have them. The little nublets. Oh man. Well, that one has been a while in the making.
That was fun.
It was a blast. You don't normally get to do that. You don't get that lucky.
No, you just can't walk up on them and shoot them. Pretty
No.
hard.
It's hard. We just got it's not the perfect scenario. That's flat land. They just happen to be in a good spot over the bank, but
Just steep enough that it wasn't
just steep
far enough
enough.
away.
We'll show him from right here. Right here is where I seen him, and if you notice the kind of grade drop you look at, you can't even see the log there behind, barely.
Yeah. That's the only reason you got up on them like you
Yeah.
did.
I hit right here, and I was like, that's a dark spot in that timber. But anyway, dude, I'm almost suffocated from that mask. Like, I think I've breathed my own air so long, I'm really dead. I was having to pull it down because my eyes started bleeding together over there.
Yeah.
I focused so long.
Yeah,
it all
everything
turned
like
to
it's
mush.
fuzzy. Yeah, it looks
was
like you're looking at a TV screen.
And the mask was up over my nose, and it is like a youth. The slot hole makes it in your eyes, like it rests right here. So when you blink, your eyes close on the rim of that.
Yippee-i-oh, yippee-i-ay. Ghost riders in the sky.
Turkey for the books.
What a blessing.
Lord, yes, it's a blessing. Well, since Friday, we've walked 872 miles. We talked to a lot of turkeys. This just so happened to be the one that talked back. What the heck is that? Their ears are always so beautiful and clean. He gobbled his last gobble.
Yippee-yi-oh, yippee-yi-ay. Ghost Riders